Hey guys, in this video we're going to go over the formative on surface area of triangular prisms. So remember, we're going to look at our shape and there's two triangles, which are the bases, and then there's three rectangles going around. So first we need to determine if our rectangles that are going around are the same. Sometimes they will, sometimes they won't be. In this case, you can see that they are all going to be 9 times 5. So I'm going to label all of them as A, and then I'm going to label our triangles as B. So looking at our A's, we are going to multiply our length times width for our rectangles. So that's going to be 9 times 5, which is 45. And then let's look at how many A's there are. There's 3. So we're going to times it by 3 and get 135. Remember, you can always use a calculator for that part. So then looking at your B's, we're going to do area equals base times height. So that's going to be 5 times 3 divided by 2. Why are we dividing by 2? It's because it's a triangle. So then we get 7.5 for one triangle. We need to times it back by 2 to get both triangles. And we get 15 total for the triangles. So 135 plus 15 gives us 150. So our final answer is 150 inches squared. So if you missed this one, go ahead and do number 2 on the back and then check the key. If you missed number 2, go ahead and keep watching. So for this one, it's the same kind of situation. We're going to have our A, and A, B, and B. So again, the triangle or the rectangles could be different. In this case, they are going to be the same. For our A's, we're going to do 12 times 6, which is 72, times 3 because there's 3 of them, and get 216. For B, our triangles, we're going to do area equals base times height, which is 6 times 4 divided by 2, which gives us 12, but then there's 2 of them, so we're back to 24 total for our triangles. So 216 plus 24 gives us 240, so our final answer is 240 centimeters squared. So if you missed this one, go ahead and do number 2 on the back and then check the key.